Here's an interesting app called Landin Creative Universe. Create collages anywhere. Welcome to Landin, your creative escape. Download the Landin app to create collages in the studio anytime, anywhere, every day. The possibilities of creation are endless. Create daily scrapbooks, back to school outfits, phone wallpapers, vision boards, and so much more. Share your collages and explore all parts of the Landin universe. Immerse yourself in the Discover feed, chat in the community spaces around niches below, and repost boards to your profile to build your visual blog. So that's the idea. You can just tap get. There is a bunch of new like collage and visual apps these days, which trying to also be social platforms. There is also Ammo app, but yeah, just let's give this one a try. And then yeah, you can sign up. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or email. So then yeah, you just need to tap some buttons here as usual. And then yeah, here you just have this. Oops, why do I need to sign up again? But then I can just tap sign in. Something happened here. Okay, so then I just reopened the app and it works. A bit weird, but yeah, there you have it. Then you can just see all the like collages made. So it's kind of like Instagram, but with collage images. Yeah, quite cool. And then you can just create it yourself. What's your vibe? You can just add your interest, and then you can just use some kind of template, for example. And then you can just add it. You can just move it around. So for example, here, then you can just have this template. Then you can have photos. You can take a photo. You can like add applause, or for example, just take a photo, whatever, of my table. And then I can just use photo. Then I can just upload to the board. And then yeah, I just have this, and then I can just resize it. I mean, you get the point, and I can just add it here. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And then you just play with it. So yeah, something like that, and then you can just tap next, and then you kind of create a board name similar as on Pinterest. Description, and then you can just post it. So yeah, quite cool. But yeah, it's kind of like Instagram. You can accept push notifications, but yeah, that's what it is. That's the app. Then you have spaces to connect. These are like basically groups, all Landin news, like okay, so now I joined the group. So yeah, quite cool, quite interesting app. If you like visuals, if you like this type of content, this is the app. Yeah, and then you just see it in the feed. There aren't that many users here. All right, there are so many notifications here. Come on, guys. And then yeah, then you can delete your account if you don't like it. I'm not sure how do I change my username. Is it possible at all? Or like I did edit profile, so then from here you can change your username. But yeah, there you have it. That's the app. That's how it looks like. Hope it is helpful.